Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week we have an exercise for my level 3 people. Hello level 3 people, happy Tappin Tuesday. I hope you're doing well this November. We are going to do shuffles and scuffles and riffles in this month's little exercise for my level 3. Just to review your shuffle, I'm going to turn sideways. We're doing fast shuffles, so it's going to be a 1. You're going to lift that knee in between your shuffles, a 1, a 2, a 3. Your scuffle is when the heel hits, scuffs going forward, and then the toes brush up and back. Scuffle, scuffle, scuffle. Okay, you want to get that sort of up and down motion going with your knee when you do these. You also, you don't have to hit the floor hard. It's not a scuff like that. It's very similar to a paddle. And I've actually seen people use paddle and scuffle sort of interchangeably. For me, a paddle stops at the floor. It's a dig and then a brush. A scuffle follows through and then brushes back. Okay, so little minute difference there. Then your riffle, which what I call a riffle is also sometimes called an open third. Technically, it's a toe, scuff, and then your brush back. I want you to really relax that leg and that foot and that ankle and do it like that. It's just like doing a shuffle. If you've got nice relaxed feet and ankles, it's like doing a shuffle, except you're going to maybe go into your plie a little bit more, bend that leg, and let that foot come a little closer to the floor so the heel gets involved as well. All right, so here is the exercise. If you have watched the previous November Tappin Tuesdays for the other levels, you probably have a good idea what we're doing already. But if you haven't, let's go through from the top. You're going to start with 3 shuffles on the right foot. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Then you're going to do a stamp, which is a flat-footed step. It doesn't mean to pound the floor. It means just to step on the heel and toe, flat-footed simultaneously with that foot. Then we do the 3 on the left and a stamp. From here, you're just going to do 4 shuffle stamps. Okay, the reason we're doing stamps is it's hard to stay on your toes sometimes. I'm actually still dealing with a little bit of a foot injury, and I find that standing on my toes it doesn't feel good. It's uncomfortable for me right now, especially on the left foot. So I feel with a stamp, I'm fine when I'm flat-footed, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do stamps. It's a good opportunity for you to practice doing your stamps kind of nice and soft and not pounding it as well. All right, so shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Now, we do the 3 shuffles again, but this time we're going to do them with a crossover. So you're going to go shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, 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 stamp. Now you're going to do 2 shuffle stamps and a shuffle ball change and another stamp. And that switches it so that you're ready to start on the left side. All right, then we started on the left side. So you're starting with those 3 shuffles and you're going a 1, a 2, a 3, a 1, a 2, a 3, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp. Now cross it, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 1, a 2, a 3. Now 2 shuffle steps and a shuffle ball change. Okay, now that's section 1. Let's do just section 1 altogether before we move on to section 2. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, cross, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Start left, 1, 2, 3, a 1, a 2, 3, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle. Now we cross it over next. Shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay. Now we're going to do the exact same thing with scuffles. Same exact pattern. The only difference now is you're scuffling instead of shuffling. So that part's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, scuffle, 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 stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, stamp, cross it, and cross it, scuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, scuffle, ball change. Then the left goes 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, scuffle, 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 cross it, a 1, a 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay. So that's your scuffles. Now, the third time through, we're doing the same thing again, but now with those riffles, or those nice loose open thirds. You want to make them really kind of gooey, and so that they're just kind of going boom, making that nice little drum sound. So with your riffles, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, riffle, 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 cross them, riffle, 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 step, riffle, riffle, ball change, stamp, start left, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, cross them, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, riffle, stamp, riffle, ball change, stamp. All right, that is the whole thing. Let's walk through it once from the top before we try it with a little music. Make sure you're breathing. Keep things kind of light. We're not going to be doing this too terribly fast with the music because I want you to really focus on making sure on those scuffles and those riffles that you're really kind of hitting it. I find with the riffles, again, relax everything, but if you just kind of throw it out there and let the foot do its thing, it typically it will. Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3. A 1, a 2, a 3. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle. Now we cross. A 1, a 2, 3. A 1, a 2, 3. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change, starting left. 1, 2, 3. A 1, a 2, 3. 1, 1, 1. Cross them. A 1, a 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3. Shuffle, stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle, ball change. Now with scuffles. Scuffle, 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 cross it. A 1, a 2, 3. A 1, a 2, 3. Scuffle, stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, ball change. Starting left. Scuffle, 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 stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, stamp, cross some, scuffle, 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 stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle, ball change, riffle. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, a 2, a 3. Now we cross them. A 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Riffle, riffle, and riffle, ball change. And left. A 1, 2, 3. A 1, a 2, a 3. Riffle, stamp. Cross them. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Riffle, stamp. Riffle, ball change, stamp. All right, we're going to do it with a little music. The music we're using is just a little drum beat. It's not any particular song. The drum beats are nice. It's kind of like doing it with a metronome. That's a little more interesting than just hearing that click, 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 click. You actually get a nice little drum rhythm in there too. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Cross it, riffle, shuffle, 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 stamp, shuffle, stamp, shuffle. Ball change, start left. We go. Shuffle, 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 stamp. Cross it, shuffle, 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 stamp. Scuffles. A 1, a 2, 3. A 1, a 2, 3. Shuffle, stamp. Cross it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Scuffle, stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle. Ball change, starting left. Scuffle, 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 stamp. Cross it. Scuffle, 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 stamp, scuffle, stamp, scuffle. Ball change, riffles. 1, 2, 3. A 1, a 2, 3. Riffle, stamp, riffle, stamp. Crossing it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Riffle, stamp. Riffle, ball change, start left. We go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Riffle, stamp. Cross it. Riffle, riffle, riffle. Riffle, riffle, riffle. Riffle, stamp. Riffle, ball change, stamp.